Hi everyone, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender. Today we are making a Golden Gate Spritz. So this recipe specifically calls for Lo-Fi Gentian Amaro, which is a Californian Amaro, which from what I've never tried it. I haven't seen it here before in Australia. From the reviews I've read, it sounds quite unique and it sounds pretty special actually. So for those over in the States, you might want to check that out if you haven't tried it already. The closest thing I've got is Sue's Gentian liqueur. And this is essentially a Gentian Spritz, a French Spritz. And following on from my Venetian Spritz video, which is up here, I had a couple of people suggest that I use Sue's in a Spritz, hence this video. This is going to be quite quick because it's simply built in the glass and it's 3 ingredients. So let's get straight into it. Measure out 45 ml. I tried this beforehand, which a lot of the time I don't, and I was going to tweak it because on paper, it just didn't read that well, but it's pretty good. It's quite nice. So 45 ml, 1.5 ounce of Sue's Gentian liqueur. So Sue's, in comparison to the Californian Lo-Fi Gentian Amaro, this is more bitter, herbal, woody characteristics to it. Then we've got 15 ml, half an ounce of grapefruit juice, and 60 ml of Prosecco. Should I measure it out? And if I was organised, I would garnish with a twist of lemon, but I'll put a giant piece of grapefruit instead. This is going to be the ugliest twist I have done on the channel to date. Maybe I'll just give it a bit of trim. Sorry, I'm just trying to hide with my ugly twists. I'm getting a lemon. Need to get my Y peelers back. Let's try that again. Still not that great. Tides out a little bit. It's the volume of the cocktail is quite small, but there you have a Gentian Spritz, aka a Golden Gate Spritz. Cheers. Tasty. I've tried it before, so I already know it's going to be good. You get those characteristics of the Sue's, but they're not overly dominant. You get the bitterness from the grapefruit, some woody notes, some earthy tones, and the sweeter style sparkling spritz to it. It's really good. Super simple. If you have a bottle of Sue's at home, give it a try. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.